How to add home and work addresses in Waze. Open the Waze app, tap the Waze icon to open the app, and make sure your GPS or location is turned on. Tap the source where to bar at the bottom, then tap Hold. Here, type in your home address in source bar or pick it up from the map. Tap the address, it will automatically save. For work address, tap Work. Enter your work address or select it from the map. Tap the address to save. Now, wherever you want to go home or work, just tap the Where to bar. Select home or work. Waze will automatically calculate the fastest route. And you can edit this address anytime by going back to save place. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.